Hello, welcome to Fridge Cam, and we are sorted.
Now, we have some exciting news, and it's not just that I've got new glasses. We have launched a club.
Okay, let me try and work out how best to describe this. This is the way to get so much more out of Sorted.
For instance, brand new books by Sorted delivered to your door on a regular basis.
You'll get our brand new book, that's the book with your name on the front cover, delivered to you in the welcome pack, and then a new book 4 months later, and another book 4 months later.
And then what happens after 4 months?
Yeah, another book. We've got a busy year ahead of us.
There's weekly podcasts, there's going to be supper clubs, there's going to be so much more that we haven't been able to do before, and it's all going to be thanks to you. And this video coming up tells you what we've just told you, but in more detail, and then we'll come back and tell you in some more detail again, just to make sure you've got it.
Okay. We've got quite a lot to say in like 2 minutes, haven't we?
We are Sorted and we want you to join us.
This year marks the 10th anniversary of Sorted.
What started as, well, let's face it, 4 idiots who had an interest in food has now grown into a true friendship of food lovers from around the world.
And that's all thanks to you. What we've learned over the past decade is that if we club together, we can achieve what the rest of the food world thought was impossible.
Together we want to keep building, creating and sharing, so we've come up with this. One brand new, insane website exclusively for the Sorted Club.
That's quite a lot to say in this bit.
Think books. Because of you guys, Desserts and Duvets was made possible.
Cheers! And we want to do it again and again and again and again
And again and again and again.
Think podcasts. You suggested it, so therefore we're going to do it.
This weekly podcast is going to be shaped by you guys. Think recipes. Over the years, we've written hundreds and those are going nowhere.
You'll still have access to all the classics and be able to upload your own.
This is my favourite bit. Think supper clubs.
Bringing what we do every day into the real world so we can all experience food together. Tastes much better that way.
Think courses.
Pick up all the techniques you need in the kitchen and learn by doing, either with a digital workshop or maybe one day a physical cooking lesson.
Think forum.
Finally, one place where we can all share ideas and shape everything that we do.
Hey, and who knows, if it goes really well, we might even be able to open a Sorted pub. That'd be cool.
Together with you, we can make this happen.
We've created a place just for you, but to make it work, we need to start small and build it from the ground up.
And that's the reason why there's only a few spaces available.
The best way to support the club is to sign up for the book club membership, or if you prefer, a digital membership. Either way, all the details are down below.
If we hit our goal, we can launch the club and send you your welcome pack.
That's the one with your name on the front cover.
We can also start our weekly podcasts.
And we can start doing our own supper clubs. And all of this as soon as April this year, if you're quick.
We promise that everything you get will be the best experience possible.
So check out our memberships and make sure you find a way of getting involved.
Welcome to the club.
Welcome to the club.
Welcome to the club.
Welcome to our club.
Welcome to the pub club. Welcome to the club. We're so pumped for this. It's been, for years we've been wanting to do something that takes Sorted further, and nothing is changing. If you wanted to stay as you are, you can carry on watching Fridge Cam every Wednesday,
Nothing's
every
gonna change
Sunday.
there.
Nothing changes.
We just wanted to do more with you.
The window to sign up only launched a couple of days ago, and already half the spots have been filled. So if you want to sign up, do it quickly before 11:59 p.m. on the 3rd of April. Make sure you get your spot.
There are 3 ways you can sign up. One is become a book club member. That's the one where you get an actual physical book delivered through the post.
It's like a full English breakfast. That's got everything in it.
And a book.
And a book.
And another book.
Yeah.
And another book.
Yeah.
And the other is become a digital club member. That way you can get everything digital, so ebooks and podcasts.
That's like scrambled eggs on toast. It's half the way there, but it's not the full.
Either way, in both cases you get discounts on supper clubs and more workshops in the future.
Or if you just want to sign up for free, then you can get involved. Give us all your suggestions in the forum.
If you are interested, go sign up at sortedfood.com.
We honestly think that the potential of this club is so massive. For once ever, we have more control over where Sorted can go with you than ever before. And if we can get this to the place where we can open our own pub, which we can invite you guys down to, it would be incredible, but we need your help to do it. Sign up. We will see you on Wednesday. Regular programming will return.
Also, let us know what you think of Jamie's new glasses. We think they're treaders. See you soon. Bye.
That's not what you said.